How is it going, everybody? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we have something very special. We have the brand new latest Samsung flagship, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 full review with all features that I need. Fantastic picture. So this right here is my favorite color, which is the blue one. But let me show you the other colors that we have. We have this black, we have the gray, and then we have the beige one as well. These are the four colors that come with the Z Fold 6. Let me show you what comes inside the box. So, when you open up the box, first thing you see the Hey Z Fold team. That's pretty cool. We have the usual stuff, so we have the charger, the cable, and the SIM card tool. Let me show you the device. Here it is. This is the Z Fold 6. It looks amazing in this blue color. It feels fantastic. The cameras look very nice as well. And here is the S Pen. This one unfortunately does not come with the case. So if you want to get a case for your Z Fold 6, make sure to get yourself a case. Now let's take a closer look at the device. When you unfold it, this is what you see. So we have a beautiful big display. This one is 120 Hz and it looks absolutely amazing. And once you fold it, you get this compact device. I love this form factor. This is why I got this phone. It's just so compact. You can put it anywhere you want, in your pocket, in your bag. It's just super convenient. Alright, so let's start with the specs. First of all, we have a 6.2-inch cover screen, 120 Hz. It's an AMOLED display, Dynamic AMOLED 2X. We also have a 7.6-inch main display, again 120 Hz, LTPO Dynamic AMOLED 2X, and we also have Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both displays. So that's very good to see. Now when it comes to the processor, we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 made by TSMC. So this is a very powerful processor. We have 12 gigs of RAM, 256 or 512 gigs of storage. We have a 4400 mAh battery, which is actually bigger than the previous generation, and we do have fast charging 25 watts, and we have wireless charging as well. The phone is also 5G and IP68 waterproof. Now cameras is another important part. So we do have a triple camera set up on the back, 50 megapixel wide angle, 10 megapixel telephoto, and we have a 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom. On the front, we do have a 10 megapixel selfie camera on the cover screen, and when you unfold it, we do have a 4 megapixel selfie camera underneath the display. Now let's talk about some of the features. One of the new features with the Z Fold 6 is the gapless hinge. So when you close the device, you don't see any gap in the middle. It's completely seamless. I love that, and we also have a stronger hinge as well. This one can withstand up to 250,000 folds. Another new feature is the folder cover screen. So now it's twice as big as the previous generation, so now you can play games on it. You can use it as a viewfinder for your cameras, use it as a remote shutter. There's a lot of cool things that you can do with this cover screen. For example, if you go into the camera app, you can use it as a viewfinder. So you can see yourself, make sure you're looking good, and you can use it as a remote shutter as well. Just tap on it and it will take the picture. Now once you unfold the device, this is where the magic happens. So obviously you have this beautiful big display. You can play games, watch movies, anything you want. But now we have this new feature called Flex Mode Panel. So if you fold it in half and you go into the settings, you can enable Flex Mode Panel. Now you get this little control panel where you can change the brightness, the volume, the screen mode, take a screenshot, record the screen, and even more. You can even use it as a trackpad. So if you're working on a document, you can use it like this. It's very cool. And then we have the S Pen. So if you want to write something, you can take it out and start writing. Obviously, you can take notes, sign documents, draw, whatever you want. And those were some of the features of the Z Fold 6. Of course, there's a lot more features that I'm gonna discover. So, if you want to see more, make sure to stay tuned for more videos. Well, guys, this was our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.